Fernando Bukidnon because my parents has retired from their service and we are now in San Fernando Bukidnon. Now, as all of us who have kind of disability, we try to seek out the best that we can do. So, na ano na ko sa stage of depression and all of this stuff. So I pushed myself to try to think, what are the things that I can do with this, having this visual disability. So I tried reaching out to the municipality and to the barangay. Unfortunately, wala tayo siya na I wasn't able to have those programs intended. However, since I really was very determined to learn yun, kay di na ko ganahan, I didn't want to stay at home na lang and go to YouTube Academy every day and stay at home. But fortunately, sa pagpagitan ko po, I kept on going to the PIDAO sa San Fernando and asked a lot of questions like, what are the programs for me? What can I do? What can I learn? And fortunately, I was chosen to be one of the representatives for this Achieve program. Now, let's go to the learnings that we have received from this program. So, the first thing that I can say that, and of course most of us can really acknowledge that we have, of course, learned a lot, no? So this time I'll try to reveal a few of our instructors, no? So, first of all, I'd like to say personally thank Sir Ralph. So Sir Ralph has been very much patient. So during our program, we've learned about the use of our Android phones. So hindi ko po ito alam. I used to screenshot yung mga messenger so that I can read the text messages. I actually can read, pero yung mga black background but has to be white text. So si Sir Ralph has been very vigilant. Lagi niya akong sinetet na, Paul, nagawa mo na ba yan? This is how you do it. It is one of the basic and most important things that we can use Android phones. And beyond the teachings that they have provided us and the knowledge that they have provided us, they have ang isa sa ginawa ni Sir Ralph is tinuruan niyang gumamit ng laptop. Ito po talaga ang hinahanap ko po kasi how can I share yung knowledge ko sa health? I really want to share my knowledge sa health and to help the community. Pero paano ako mag-discuss, paano ako? So, Sir Ralph has been tutoring me and I hope, Sir Ralph, you continue mentoring me po, no? In using the laptop. Second, our instructor, Ma'am Socorro. So, what did we learn from Ma'am Socorro? Grabe, amazing, a lot talaga. During the time that I've been going to YouTube Academy, I've been receiving a lot of information. So, dinidecipher ko, kung ano yung mga information na pwede sa business, ano bang business ang dapat kong i-take, ano ba yung mahirap, ano ba yung madali. Pero amazing, you know? Yung presentation ni Ma'am Socorro, everything is compiled, collected, and arranged. Organized siya, like you start from the costing, after costing you would go to capitalization, doon mo naman realize na, these things are, tapos the next steps come together. Thank you, Ma'am Socorro, for
This left side.
Thank you po.
Alright.
Next, sinang gusto niyo?
Ma'am Roy.
Ma'am Roy.
Clap once.
Clap once if you hear me. Ma'am Roy, thank you also very much for the information that you have shared with us. And aside from that, then she actually taught me how to use the cane. So, hindi talaga ako marunong gumamit ng cane. Nahiya akong gumamit ng cane. Pero actually, she took me to one side and tinuruan niya ako paano gumamit. Basic but very important sa isang tao na naghahanap ng information, paano to survive as a visually impaired person. Pwede mo ba ni Ma'am Roy? Okay, and last we have Ma'am so Ma'am Nika. So ito na yung great reveal natin kay Ma'am Nika. Ay, huwag kayo magalit. Naka-live tayo, makita tayo ni Sir. Anyway, great reveal kay Ma'am Nika. Actually, kami ni Ma'am Nika have the same diagnosis. Yes po. So she also has been diagnosed with Behcet's. So sa dami namin na may sa dami ng ano po na pwede ko ma-meet is